Now we'll learn how to set the watch point in a debugger. Watch point we use to instruct a debugger to stop the execution of the program when the value of variable is some specific value. Take an example. Here, when I execute the program, okay, here we have different vendor ID and different like fields are there. And my requirement is in that loop, I want to stop the execution when the value of vendor listener ID is this one. Okay, in runtime we have to add leading 0 also. So we'll see how to set a watch point at runtime for a specific value. So first I will go into the debugging mode. Okay, so let me execute the select query first. Now here I have 97 records. Okay, and my requirement is I want debugger to stop the execution of the program when the value of vendor ID is, let me copy that value again because I want to set that along with the leading 0, otherwise this will not work. Okay, 3007, so this is the value. I will copy this, and my requirement is whenever in the current loop is the value which I copied, system should stop there. So what I will do, either we can type manually or we can select that particular field like this and click on the create watch point. Okay, this is optional, we can directly type manually here also. So select the variable and click on watch point. Okay, now here you can see that variable in the program name, and here in the free condition entry again we have to type same variable name. Okay, gs underscore list hyphen listener space and add the value with leading zeros. Okay, check and execute. Otherwise what will happen, to execute the remaining part only for this value we have to execute all the records. So advantage of watch point, system will stop only when the value of listener is ending with this 7. Okay, now here see the site tab is 0. Now if I execute, see here the site tab is 66, and if I check the value here, see this means that system has already processed 65 records and the debugger, the processing is stopped at the 66th row, because as per my watch point the system has reached where the listener value is the value which I given. Okay, now from here we can go by execution one by one. Now again if I execute, next is 66. So let's cross check this into gt underscore list. Okay, so here we can see 66, 67 till 71 we have the same values. Okay, if I execute 68, 69, 70, 71, and now FL directly output. This means that you can set the dynamic breakpoints using the watch point. So try some for other field also. One more field we'll try how to set a watch point. Same program. Okay, let me execute this. Now this time what I will do, I will set this for the amount field. Okay, as I have amount field also in that loop. So here this time what I will do, I want to stop processing when the value of net WR is 1000. Select this, click on watch point, and here gs underscore list net WR equal to 1000. So whenever the value is 1000, processing will stop there. Execute. Tab is 36, check the value. See here, value is 1000. Effect. Okay, so like this we can set the dynamic breakpoints inside a debugger. If you want to debug the program only when the content of a variable is a specific value, at that time we can make use of watch point to set the dynamic breakpoint. In this way, we're done with this session on watch point, that is dynamic breakpoints. Thank you.